Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're making a delicious and easy lemon chicken recipe that's perfect for a weeknight dinner. To start, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, season your chicken breasts with salt and pepper and heat up some olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Place the chicken in the skillet and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they're nicely browned. Once the chicken is browned, remove it from the skillet and place it in a baking dish. In the same skillet, add some minced garlic and sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, add some chicken broth, lemon juice, and a little bit of honey to the skillet, and stir until everything is combined. Pour the sauce over the chicken in the baking dish, and bake in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes. Garnish with some fresh parsley and lemon slices, and serve with your favorite sides like roasted vegetables or rice. And that's it. Baked lemon pepper chicken. So, let's get started. First, we'll need boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Season them generously with freshly ground black pepper and a pinch of salt. Now, it's time to add a burst of citrusy flavor. Squeeze fresh lemon juice over the chicken, making sure to coat each piece. Next, we'll enhance the flavor with a drizzle of olive oil. This will help keep the chicken moist while baking. Now, gently massage the chicken to ensure the seasoning is evenly distributed. Once the chicken is well coated, place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Now, pop the chicken into the oven and let it bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. Or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. While the chicken is baking, you can prepare your favorite side dish to go along with it. I love serving this lemon pepper chicken with roasted veggies or a fresh salad. And there you have it, a flavorful and easy baked lemon pepper chicken that's so simple to make. An easy and delicious honey mustard chicken recipe that's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. We'll start by making our marinade. In a bowl, we're going to mix together some honey, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Now we're going to add our chicken breasts to the marinade, making sure to coat them well. We'll let them marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to really absorb all the flavors. Once the chicken is done marinating, we'll cook it in a skillet over medium-high heat for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side, until it's golden brown and cooked through. And that's it. Our honey mustard chicken is ready to be served. Mouth-watering Caprese chicken with just 5 simple ingredients. Let's get started. First, we'll need some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, juicy tomatoes, fresh mozzarella cheese, fragrant basil leaves, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. That's it. Let's begin. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Now season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper on both sides. Then, place them in a baking dish. Slice your tomatoes and mozzarella cheese into thick slices. Layer the tomato slices on top of each chicken breast, followed by the mozzarella slices. Tear some fresh basil leaves and sprinkle them generously over the chicken and cheese. Drizzle a bit of balsamic glaze over each chicken breast to add that tangy sweetness. Pop the dish into the preheated oven and bake for about 20 minutes, or until the chicken is fully cooked and the cheese is melted and golden brown. And there you have it. Our mouth-watering Caprese chicken is ready. Give it a try, and let me know how it turns out for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for my upcoming recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!